A lawyer once told you that being hated for your job can actually save your life? That sounds backwards until you realize asylum law has a very specific way of measuring hatred. You have to prove more than someone being annoyed with your profession. The standard asks whether you were targeted because of who you are, not just what you happen to do for work. Think about journalists, judges, or union organizers in unstable countries. Their jobs make them visible, and visibility can turn into a target painted right on their back. Evidence starts with a pattern, not a single bad day. One angry email is a nuisance, but a string of threats tied to your profession starts looking like persecution. You need documents that show the danger was connected to your role specifically. Court records, police reports, or news coverage help prove the threat was not random bad luck. Here is the twist people miss. The persecution has to come from the government or from a group the government will not or cannot control. If your annoying neighbor hates your job, that is not asylum material. If a militia or corrupt police force targets your profession because it threatens their power, that is a completely different story. Country condition reports become your best friend here. Groups like Human Rights Watch and the State Department publish reports that show whether your profession is genuinely dangerous where you live. Judges want to see the bigger picture, not just your personal experience. They compare your story against known patterns of violence against people in similar jobs. This is where lawyers earn every penny of their fee. They build a case file thick enough to make a judge feel the danger, not just read about it. Doubt creeps in a lot during this process. Applicants worry that their story sounds too ordinary to matter, but ordinary is exactly what real persecution often looks like. Confusion also shows up around the word targeting. Targeting does not mean someone yelled at you once, it means a consistent effort to silence or harm you because of your role. History offers a clear lesson here. 1980, during the Cold War, many professionals fled home countries because their jobs made them enemies of the state overnight. Preparation is everything in these cases. The more organized your evidence, the calmer your case looks, and calm cases tend to convince judges faster than chaotic ones. If any of this sounds like your situation, do you want to learn more about how we help build these cases? Check out our links in the description.